like an egg. Wow.
They're spongy.
Look at that. They're fresh.
They're fresh.
We're running so late. We've literally got 30 minutes to get there. Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Europe's largest Chinatown in London. And we are going to go around and explore it and try some of the most popular street food. If you've been following along for a while, you know we recently come back from China and we fell in love with it. We can't really get to China yet, so the closest place we could get to was London. It's like an hour and a half train journey here for us, so not far. And we can try, hopefully, some authentic Chinese food.
Is Chinatown in London authentic to China? That's what we want. We're missing it. We're missing you a lot.
And the best way to try it is food.
Of course.
Because that is one of the things I miss the most. Obviously the people, but we're not going to get the proper vibe here. Because obviously we're in England. And obviously we've got England weather, miserable, cloudy day, with coats on in July. How rubbish is that?
Typical England.
Typical. But we did go for a meal here when we first arrived. We were starving, so we went for lunch. So go back and watch our previous video where we try, I'm not gonna lie, the best duck spring rolls ever. So if you want to see that, go back and watch that. But otherwise, we're gonna go and try some street food now. And there should be a popular bun place. Oh, it's literally there, bun house.
As you were saying it, I can see it.
So we're gonna go and grab, I think they're like custard buns. We're gonna go and grab one of these. So we are gonna go for the custard egg salted yolk, coconut and carrot juice. Oh my god, that absolutely sounds unreal.
I can't remember. It was
Thank you. Oh, I'm excited. It looks really nice inside. You can sit down, there's like a little room in there. But they had the buns literally on the side, steaming away. All right, let's check out the steam bun. The prices, obviously, we're in England, in London, are going to be very expensive. So this was £3.80. Whew. It does look really good, I have to admit. But I'm sure we paid like, I don't know, 50p for one of these in China. Oh, it's hot.
Rip it.
Hold on. Look at that. Oh, I am looking forward to this. It smells delicious. Oh my god, it's like an egg. Look at that.
That looks incredible.
That looks good. It looks really fluffy. Oh my god. That tastes unreal. You can taste the coconut, it's really creamy. Am I meant to like drink this? It looks like what you'd get in like a Cadbury's cream egg.
It looks like what you get in an egg.
Oh, it's not. That is delicious. It's sweet, creamy. These are warm, fresh, light and fluffy. That is good. I would like to say that it's worth £3.80 for that, but I think that's pretty pricey for a little thing like this, which is going to take me 2 seconds to eat. Ah, it is like dipping it in an egg. Do you mean that's what you meant to do? That is pretty good. That's like an 8 out of 10, I'd give that. And try it.
It's actually a lot sweeter than I thought. I was expecting the custard to be quite bland. It is really, really sweet.
It's a coconut in it.
Yeah, but it's really confusing because it's not got like a consistency of custard. It's almost like a juice.
Oh, that is good.
That is awesome.
I could eat about 20 of them though.
Yeah, I could as well. Wow, nice.
What's our next stop? Let's go and have a look, see what's around. I'm not really sure if this is really giving us China vibes, so it's a bit too busy and fast paced for us. It's like London.
It feels like London.
Yeah, it's very touristy, busy, you're like crowded and trying to get through, and it's just really overwhelming. It feels nothing like it. I have to admit, there is some good food here, and it looks like it is all Chinese people running it, so it will be proper traditional places. I'm not really sure what I'm feeling now.
When you're in London, you're not really going to get away from the feeling of being in London. Like, look at the pavement. The pavement's like your traditional, like, cobble sort of pavement.
Oh yeah, you're not getting the tall, modern buildings that you can get and the cute Chinese architect. Is that the word?
Yeah, it's London.
But you've got like, that is your entrance and all this. It does look cool. But, oh, Chinatown Bakery. I have heard you should go to one of them. Do you have a look?
Let's have a look.
Let's go and have a look. Oh wow, look at these. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to try these.
It's a robot. No way, are they actually doing it? Look at the times though, it's open quite late. 9 o'clock on the weekend, 10. Just Sunday, it's 9. Alright, I think we're going to get 4 of the teriyaki fish.
Thank you.
Oh wow. We didn't actually try these in China. But that's why I've called that machine at the front. It's like a robot, but I'm guessing they've stopped making them at the moment. But they're really hot.
Same time?
Look at him! Yes, go.
Oh.
Ah! I lost a bit.
See, that's a different sort of custard.
That's a custard. They're really warm and fluffy. The pigeon's got it. The pigeon's thieved it. Oh, very good. 4 for £2.50. That's more reasonable.
Yeah, I mean, the batter on the outside is not very sweet. It's more bland. The custard inside is
sweet.
Yeah, sweet, but thicker. Almost like, yeah, completely, more like a custard.
They're really delicious, and I like that they're warm. We've just gone to Leicester Square for a bit. We came here to get some water and to chill because it's getting very crowded. If you've never been to London, it's probably one of the most busiest places you've ever been to.
I forgot how busy it is.
It's mental.
It's madness.
Here we've got like people in gold. We've got Darth Vader on his mobile phone having a little break. We've got paintings. You won't believe how much they're charging for these paintings. They're like £50. Earlier on there was some performers going on. There's so much going on. But look at this. We've got M&M World. Greg's Legoland, Ben. Legoland? Lego. There's actually a massive queue to get in there, but we're heading back to Chinatown. It's literally just across the road from the square, and going to try some more food. I've got a few things on the list that I want to try to see if we can find them. Next stop here is there should be a secret alleyway up here, and they should sell fresh noodles. I'm not sure if it exists.
Dandy place.
Dandy place. So it should be down here. Oh god, it doesn't really look good, does it? But I can see a sign. I think that's it. Lowe's Noodle Factory. That is proper hidden. See if it's a hidden gem. So it's literally, so it's just a doorway here. So let's go in there. Oh!
Thank you. Shay.
Wow.
They're spongy.
Look at that. They're fresh.
Yeah, fresh. Your hand.
Your hands.
Your hand. This is yours?
Me? No.
That's your wife.
No, it's your wife.
Thank you. He thought I was
Oh, yeah.
her. But look at these, we've got some fresh noodles. £2.50 was it? Looked it. Yeah, £2.50. If you go there, make sure you have cash only. But oh my god, I'm so excited to cook with these. I have to do like a short or real one when I make something. I'm not sure what. Comment down below, what should I cook with them?
Super hard to find though.
Lowe's Noodle Factory. How cool is that? There you go, we gave you a hidden gem. I'm probably excited. It looks like they've got like buns and everything in there. Alright, our next stop here is the Chinese tapas house. Ben's going to go in and get us the Chinese crepe, which is traditionally in China known as
Jiangming.
oh, they're making them there.
Shit.
And your ticket number 40.
The popular chicken place is literally next door as well. Good friends. That is meant to be really nice. They've got like the volcano cheesy chicken, which is like stuffed cheese inside of it. It looks proper good, but as you can see, proper busy. I don't think we can fit in that much food. We want to do here, and we want to get some food to take away later. We want to show you one of the like takeaway buffets here that Ben went to when he was a child.
I actually think this might be a little bit more like what we would call British Chinese food that we get from a Chinese takeaway.
Look what we've just spotted. We have Alipay. So you can use your Alipay app here.
And WeChat as well.
And WeChat, Unipay. I didn't know they actually could use it here.
I didn't know that actually.
They're literally like making them fresh there. Look at them. Oh.
Same as we did in Beijing.
That's what I haven't been.
Yeah. With the crackers in.
Time's getting on now, so we're going to head back to London Victoria train station, is where we got the train into this morning. But on the way, there's so much to see. We're going to show you the Buckingham Palace. Obviously, we've got the iconic double-decker red buses. We've got the big black cabs, and then we've got the little shops selling souvenirs. So you can get a magnet for £1.50, a t-shirt for £10. Any of these little trinkets you want here. At the moment we're in Trafalgar Square, and we've got like Nelson column over there, so we've got the statue, the water feature, everything around it. Look how busy it is.
One thing I love about London is you're not far from like iconic things. You're only a walk. Literally 10 minutes time we'll be at Buckingham Palace. It's just, everything's close by.
It is. Covent Garden's literally that way if you wanted to go there. Oxford Street's over there, so if you wanted to go shopping. We've got someone playing music in the middle. I actually really enjoy it when we do come to London. We found a nice spot in Trafalgar Square. We've got the water fountains going. We've got some nice music. So we had to let it cool down because it was so hot when we first got it. So we've got a thin pancake crepe with egg, spring onion, and then inside we've got pork belly, these crispy like kind of like wontons. Oh, they're very nice. We've also inside got like the dough things. I can't remember the name, but they're a popular traditional like dessert. We had them in Thailand once and it was like shaped like a dinosaur. They're really good. They kind of remind me of like a Yorkshire pudding kind of texture. Deep fried, thin and fluffy, but let's try it all together.
It's called, I just thought of it as Reanne was eating it, it's called a yoshea. It's a traditional Chinese donut. The only reason I know that is because we done the Chinatown in Bangkok and I can sort of like, but it's in my head and it just come to the front of my head and I was like, I blurred it and she was like, shut up. And I was like, alright.
So let's go and try it all. As I said, we've got pork belly in there. Oh, it looks good. And that sauce. I remember having one of these in China and it was literally one of the best things I've ever eaten. Oh my god, that is so good. That is full of so much flavour. It's got a bit of a kick. The sauce they were spreading on it at first is like kind of spicy Cantonese sauce. But that pork belly literally melts in your mouth. Quite how good these were. But they're quite pricey. I think this was about £6.50. Probably double the price we paid in China, maybe even more. And to be honest, it's not as big as the one in China. Let's have a look. Didn't look massive. I don't know, I'm not sure. But... Oh my god. Look at that pork. That's super good. I think there's like cabbage in there as well. It's tasty. Nowhere near it as good as the one we had in Beijing, but it's not far off.
Just as well let me like even it out now.
How are you going to talk now with them two massive bites?
So good. I can't remember what it's called. Is it a zhangbing maybe? It's in there somewhere. But yeah, it really reminds me of being in Beijing and being in China, and I am buzzing to go back because I'm just getting like these little bursts of flavour are giving me like really good memories.
Alright, we kind of messed up. We forgot that we were meant to go to Mr. Wu's and get the Chinese food to take away. So we're heading back. It's another 10 minutes back the way we came from. So we're not going to be able to walk back. We haven't got time. We're going to have to get the tube. So at least we get to show you the tube, but we can't show you like Buckingham Palace and all that. But oh wow, we want to show you the Chinese food. This is kind of going to be like British Chinese food, nothing like we had in China. How cool's that?
It's magic.
Literally on the way back, we just saw them noodles like jumping up and down. So this is where we're going, Mr. Wu. It's a hot buffet, you have to serve two, it's £5 per takeaway box. Cash, Ben, cash. Oh wow, so you've got all these food and then food up. Let's go.
I'm feeling too much.
So this is what we got. We've got like a tub full of Chinese food. I've got my mum one to take home as well. Ben's definitely filled his out. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, I wish I put more in mine now. But let's see what it's like. So we've got some roasted pork. To be honest, it didn't look that great. It doesn't look that fresh. So I'm not got high hopes on it. But it was £5 for all you can eat and just squeeze it in the box. It's alright. Roasted pork.
All you can fit in the box.
Yeah, pretty much.
All you can eat.
But this is going to be our dinner later. We're going to take this home and reheat it, I think, because we've ate too much. But we've got some noodles. It's not awful. I think it just could do with heating up and it'll be a bit better. But we need to get on the tube now because we're going to miss our train. We're running so late. We've literally got 30 minutes to get there. Alright, you literally just tap the card. And that's how easy it is. You just use your bank card and get on. So we have no idea. It's normally quite expensive, to be honest. Probably like £20,000. Oh, luckily it's here. Let's get on. Go, go, go. We're on. Oh, that was a rush.
Never a rush.
It's hot down here as well. Alright, we've literally been running. We had 5 stops on the train. First tube, And now we've got 2 stops on
This
this train.
This is real hard.
It isn't hard.
Proper old as well. Like crickly.
But it's hot and busy. I'm absolutely sweating now. Oh my god. We've made it. We've literally 3 minutes to spare. We've made it back. I'm absolutely shattered though, you?
Yeah, welcome to our hometown, by the way. This is Portsmouth.
Portsmouth, the sun's out. It's like 6 in the evening now.
Beautiful
It's been
evening.
a long day, a lot of walking. The last part of London was us running and making our train like by 3 minutes.
Yeah, we just about, it was like in true OTWD fashion, we just about made it.
Oh,
But it's been an exciting day. It's good to get back on the camera, good to get back out there. But make sure you tune in because we've got a brand new series coming next, and also we've got more big things happening about China. We're going to be in the national newspaper with a national news appearance which is supposed to be released today, but we've not heard nothing about it, so maybe it's tomorrow, I don't know, but stay tuned. And also we'll come back to China very, very soon, so subscribe. Rip it.
Hold on. So we found a nice quiet. No, it's not quiet. 40-minute wait. We've got like a 40-minute walk. We're running out of train. We're running out of time before we've got a few of the phone boxes and loads of little.
The black cabs.
The big black cabs.